Check me out, all shaved and ready to go. We got a new crazy week coming up. It's going to be a big one. And what's very important here is that the trading challenge is beginning. And this video is about this trading challenge. I'm going to explain to you how I'm going to be trading and what I'm going to be doing. And before I get into that, I just want to make sure that you guys know that for the next 24 hours, as the blog post states, if you're checking it on PipsMatter.com, I'm giving a 30% discount for anybody who wants to join. They can check out the trading challenge and learn all about it inside the actual trading community. You're going to get a bunch of videos which are going to help you kind of onboard properly with my community and learn everything there is to know about how we trade, what we do. The guys are starting to interact really well. Some of the people found really good trades, more specifically Euro NZD. There's a really hot setup on that, and if you join the community, you will find that trade. Now, let me explain about how I'm going to be trading this trading challenge. Okay, now it's going to be very important that you guys pay close attention to what I'm just about to explain. Before we move into the actual system that I'm going to be using and explain the system, I want you to know that simplicity is the best way to achieve efficiency in trading. So keeping it simple, having a basic structure. Now, I'm going to go over how trading will be done on this account, and as a general rule, all focus will go on actually following the PipsMatter system at all times. Now, this in short means that our focus will be on simplicity, keeping things organized and taking it one trade at a time and one day at a time will make all the difference. Now, let me explain to you guys how trading will be done, and then we'll move forward. First of all, I'm going to be focusing only on the free PipsMatter chart setups. That is the free higher highs, free higher lows pattern, the contraction pattern, and the classic PipsMatter pattern. Next, structure, position sizing. There is a clean-cut position sizing module or a plan that will be followed. The focus of profits will be on targeted compounded weekly percentage gain. In terms of execution, I'm going to be focusing on entering trades which are closer to the end of the 4-hour candle, anything underneath 30 minutes. Finally, moving on to profit, I will only be targeting the 50% on basic contractions, the 61% on classic setups, and the bottom of the range on free higher highs, free higher lows pattern. In terms of risk management, well, it's pretty basic. I'm going to be looking to risk 1 and earn at least 2 per trade. Normally I would say 3, but because of what we're doing here, I need to profit quite a bit per week to achieve the 10% weekly gain. So 1 to 2 is what I'm going to be targeting. That's pretty much it. Let's move over to the chart. Let me explain you a couple of more things. So the trading challenge has begun. I'm already up 63 since Friday. The target growth for this week is just 8%, so that makes it about 163, I think, something like this. Let me just check that. I'm not very good at math. So 2,000 plus 8% is 160 GBP. And I'm already up 63, so just 100 and something to go for the week. The week has just begun, so there is plenty of opportunities to trade. I've already executed a couple of trades. You can see that I'm aiming for GBP USD here. This is the 1-hour chart shooting down to the 50% breakout area, which should be good. I think it can be reached even today because the move is not that big, and that will give me a return if it does work out of another 62, which brings me very close to my weekly target. Now I'm taking it one step at a time, one trade at a time. I'm going to continuously update this what is it called, this account. I'm going to be releasing updates about it. I should be adding it on my Facebook today. If not today, by tomorrow it should be up and it will be added in the blog. I'm going to be releasing vlogs about it as well on Fridays, Saturdays, whenever I get the time, but usually at the end of the week. And I will update you guys accordingly of how it's going. Like I said in the blog post, the best way to actually follow this challenge is to be in my community. And I'm prepared to give you a 30% discount if you join the community within the next 24 hours. And now it is the 4th of February 2019, so till the 5th of February 2019. If you join, you get 30% off and instead of paying the 56, you'll just pay 39. You'll be able to follow this challenge and learn from it. I'll be releasing all my mistakes, video summaries of the week, explaining all the mistakes I've done and all the good things I've done. I don't expect to achieve the 10% every single week, but I will try to do that. And over the 48 weeks, this 2000 can grow significantly into something very impressive. Now, Brian, a community member of the PipsMatter community, who's a very smart guy, has created a really cool sheet, which kind of explains exactly what needs to be done. And here it is. Let me just share this with you. There it is. You can see that you just set in the initial balance, and then you kind of update the weekly, and it's going to tell you what you need to do. Most importantly, as your balance grows, so does your recommended lot size. So this is a really cool structure that has helped out, and everybody's going to get that in the community. And you can see the growth balance that is expected to be achieved over the next 48 weeks is pretty significant. This is a yearly view. So at 48 weeks, this is where I should be by the end of the year, 176,000. Obviously, it sounds insane, but like I said, I'm going to do everything I can to focus on achieving this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you're excited about this and hope you're going to be following the account. I'd love to have you in the PipsMatter community and show you exactly how all of this works. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you're going to get updates about this every single week. My name's Dennis. I wish you a really good February and a really good new week, and I'll see you in the markets. Bye now.